Hey guys and gals, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair. This time we're demonstrating an 8-track player out of a 70 Olds 442. This comes from Frank in the Villages, Florida. That's an interesting name for a city, the Villages. Frank has requested that this unit be repaired to original stock, so let's check her out and make sure everything works before we send her back. Got some Neil Sedaka here. Okay, check our speakers. Balance left. Balance right. Left. Right. We're going to change tracks a bunch of times. Tone control. Volume.
Waste no time. Oh, honey, won't you take over with a hunky?
Okay, end of a song there. We'll just wait for the next one to start. Alrighty, and that takes care of that. And just to show you guys, we'll on these old units, the wiring can be pretty confusing. So I label all the wires when I send it back. That way, if there's any trouble upon installation, the customer knows what each wire is supposed to be doing, or what each wire is actually doing, and what the rest of the system may not be doing. So that's just a little courtesy that I add on to aid the troubleshooting procedure should that be necessary upon installation. So on that happy note, I'm Barry with Barry's 8-track and classic car radio repair, and you can reach me through my website in the description below. I do ask all customers to visit my website and print out a work order, which will answer at least 95% of your questions before calling me with a 15-minute bunch of questions that takes me off the bench where I'm not getting anything done. It threatens the quality of my workmanship, so I really have to insist that you get most of your questions answered on the website and in the work order before calling me. So thanks so much in advance for that, and thank you, Frank, for your business all the way from Florida, and we'll see you guys next time.